Welcome to the channel Maths for Graduates. In the previous video, we have seen singularities. In today's video, we will learn types of singularity. So, first one is isolated singularity. Second one is non-isolated singularity. Isolated singularity is a point z0 is said to be isolated if there exists a deleted neighborhood of z0. Deleted neighborhood means a neighborhood which does not contain point z0. Okay, so if there exists a deleted neighborhood of z0 in which f of z is analytic. Let's understand this definition. Suppose we have a point z0, okay, and we have a neighborhood of this point z0. Suppose this is neighborhood, but we have a deleted neighborhood, that means it does not contain this point z0. Okay, so we don't have point z0. Okay, and this is the deleted neighborhood of z0. Okay, then if function f of z is analytic inside this neighborhood, then we can say that z0 is a isolated singularity. Okay, if there does not exist any such neighborhood, then z0 is said to be a non-isolated singularity. Okay, we can also define isolated singularity as if we can find the neighborhood of z0 which does not contain any other singularity other than z0. That means we can isolate z0, that's why it is named isolated singularity. Okay, now let's see an example. Suppose we have a function f of z as 1 over sine z. Okay, this function is not analytic when its denominator becomes 0, that is when its denominator sine z becomes 0, then this function f of z is no longer analytic. Okay, let us find for what value of z this sine z becomes 0. Okay, so we know that sine is 0 for n pi, here n is integer. Okay, so from here we can say z is n pi. Okay, so we have singularities as 0 plus minus pi plus minus 2 pi plus minus 3 pi and so on. Okay, now let's locate these points on Argand plane. This point is 0, suppose this point is pi and this point is minus pi, this point is 2 pi and this point is minus 2 pi, this point is 3 pi and this point is minus 3 pi. Okay, so you can see we can construct a neighborhood. Inside this neighborhood the function f of z is analytic. Okay, and you can see here we can construct neighborhoods in which function is analytic. Okay, so we can isolate these singularities, that's why these singularities are isolated singularity. Okay, all these singularities are isolated singularity. Okay, now let's see another example. We have function f of z as 1 over sine pi over z. Okay, so this function is not analytic at z equals to 0. Okay, you can see 1 over sine pi over 0 becomes infinity and sine infinity does not exist. Okay, and there are more points at which this function is not analytic. Okay, let's find those points. this function is not analytic when its denominator becomes 0, that is sine pi over z equals to 0. Okay. So, from here pi over z will be n pi, where n is integer. From here z is 1 over n. Okay. So, we have singularities as plus minus 1, plus minus 1 over 2, plus minus 1 over 3, plus minus 1 over 4, and so on. Okay. Now, let us locate these points on Argand plane. Suppose this point is 1 and this point is minus 1. Okay. So, these 2 points are our singularity. Okay. And we have 0 is also singularity. Okay. So, we have 0 here, then we have 1 over 2 and minus 1 over 2, then we have 1 over 3 and minus 1 over 3, 1 over 4 and minus 1 over 4. Okay. And so on, you can locate other singularities as well. Okay. So, we can see this singularity 1 is isolated. Okay. We can find a neighborhood in which function f of z is analytic. This point half is also a isolated singularity. This point 1 over 3 is also isolated singularity. Similarly, minus 1, minus half, minus 1 over 3, all are isolated singularities, but this point 0 is not an isolated singularity. Okay. Why so? Because suppose if we construct this neighborhood of radius as small as possible, suppose the radius of this neighborhood is 1 over 100. Okay. Then inside this neighborhood there exists another singularity 1 over 1000. Okay. So, inside this neighborhood function is not analytic at every point. Okay. Suppose if we construct another neighborhood which is smaller than this neighborhood, I am constructing another neighborhood of radius, suppose this radius is 1 over 10,000. Okay. Then you can find another singularity as 1 over 100,000. Okay. So, there exists no neighborhood in which function is analytic. Okay. So, z equals to 0 is non-isolated singularity. Because we cannot find a single neighborhood in which function is analytic. Okay. I hope you got the concept of isolated singularity and non-isolated singularity. Okay. Now, I have a fun fact for you. If there are finite numbers of singularity for any function f of z, then all the singularities are isolated. But if a function has infinite number of singularities, then it does not imply that it has non-isolated singularity. You can see this example. It has infinite number of singularities, but all the singularities are isolated. Okay. Okay. Now, this video ends here. In the next video, we will discuss types of isolated singularity, and I have a quick announcement to make. Those students who are preparing for exams like CSR NET, GATE and other MSc entrance examination can buy our complex analysis handwritten notes for a very low price for only ₹50. So, if you are interested, you can contact us through this WhatsApp number. Thank you. Thanks for watching.